Hello, and welcome to another episode of From the Field. I'm your host, Caitlin Berger, the editor of Top Crop Manager magazine for Western Canada. And joining me today is Rachel Evans, technical sales manager at FMC. We're so glad to have you with us today, Rachel.
Thank you. Nice to be here.
I'm really looking forward to chatting with you about Authority brand herbicides today and just hearing about your perspective and having you provide some more information on them. So, my first question for you is what is the Authority brand family of herbicides and why does FMC offer more than one option?
Yeah, it's a great question. So FMC offers three Authority herbicide products within our Authority brand family, and they're all built around the active ingredient sulfentrazone, which is a group 14 herbicide mode of action. Then we have some different combinations that provide different strengths to match different weed spectrums, cropping plans, and even their workload. So Authority 480 is probably the most well-known out of the three. It offers excellent extended control of kochia. It's probably what it's most well known for, as well as other germinating weeds like lamb's quarters and suppression of Russian thistle. It's really flexible in terms of its timing, so it can go on in the fall, pre-seed, or even up to 3 days after seeding. And we see that it's been a really great fit for crops like spring and durum wheat, field peas, soybeans, but there are several other crops on the label as well. Then we have Authority Strike, which is a newer brand at FMC where we combined the active ingredient from Authority 480 with another group 14 that provides burn off control of emerged broadleaf weeds. So this makes it a great fit for spring when farmers are looking for something that they can apply in one pass, tank mix with their glyphosate for enhanced burn off of the broadleaf weeds. Plus, you'll get that extended control of germinating broadleaf weeds like kochia. And then lastly, we have our Cadillac Authority Supreme, which is the combination of the group 14 from Authority plus a group 15, which is going to provide both broadleaf and grassy extended control on key weeds like green and yellow foxtail, brome grasses, kochia, pigweed species, including water hemp. And this can be applied also in the fall, pre-seed, or up to 3 days after seeding in crops like chickpeas, field peas, soybeans, and sunflowers. So that's a lot to take in, but those are the three products in that Authority brand family.
Yeah, thanks. So, as you mentioned, there's a variety of weed spectrums and obviously different crop plans. So, having a variety of options to meet those differing needs is essential. And of course, we can't talk about herbicide solutions without talking about pricing as well. So, can you just explain how did FMC price Authority 480 herbicide to provide more value without sacrificing performance or support?
Yeah, it's a great question. First and foremost, FMC focused on production efficiencies, not cheaper ingredients. So the chemistry, the formulation, the performance are all exactly the same. So farmers will still receive FMC service and expertise. Of course, access to their local reps and in-field support from folks like myself when they need it. And that's going to be a key difference compared to generics out there. So it's a lower price point, but it's definitely not a lower commitment on our end. We also looked at how the Authority brand family fits within our broader grower program. So they remain part of our FMC cashback rebate program. So that allows farmers to continue to see value when they combine purchases with FMC, other FMC products. And in 2026, this also now includes our inoculant and biological portfolio. So for us, it's a balance between upfront price, our commitment to service, and then also the rebate opportunity that we hope farmers will find valuable.
Yeah, that makes sense. It sounds like value added goes beyond herbicide options alone with commitment and support throughout the season as well. So, my final question for you is this. In your opinion, why should growers choose Authority brand herbicides?
Yeah, for us, I think it's about dedication to our relationships. It's about supporting the proven performance of the Authority brand herbicides and providing that technical expertise. This is an active ingredient that FMC developed and has been testing globally since 1986. So we know this product inside and out. And FMC is also committed to ongoing investment in, sulfentrazone active ingredient, but also new molecules to support weed control and herbicide resistance management. So, if you haven't seen the headlines, something really exciting is that FMC recently discovered the first new herbicide mode of action in 30 years. So we're really excited to see whether or not that we can find a fit for that in Canada. So the company is invested for the long game. It's, dedicated to protecting what works and making sure that these tools remain effective for the long term, but also reinvesting into the future. So at the end of the day, for our team, it's about earning trust every year and not just winning a single acre.
Well, thanks so much, Rachel. I think we've covered some helpful information here, and thanks so much for joining this from the field interview.
Thanks for having me. Bye for now.